So people ask me about washing the bus. I will tell you what I do. You can make your decisions from there because I know that different places have different policies. So what I do, first of all, I sweep the inside at least twice a day. So that way the condition of your bus does not get out of control. And if I find chewing gum or anything like this, I can use a scraper just like this to scrape the chewing gum, scrape the floor. You can also use Clorox wipes either to clean the floor from chewing gum or any sticky stuff like candy, or if you just want to wipe the panels on your bus in general. Clorox wipes, I tried different methods. Clorox wipes are what works the best. Also, of course, glass cleaner, paper towel for the glass. And as far as the outside, I do it once a week normally. But if you don't have time, I suggest if you have only one task that you can accomplish as far as outside the bus, do the back of the bus, because this is where the soot builds up. See that the bus is fairly clean, but that's where all the soot is built up. So if you don't do the back of your bus, if you don't at least squeegee it once a week, eventually it'll get out of control. The back of your bus will be stained with soot. If your bus starts being fading because you have an older bus, I tried in the past. You don't have to, but what I did, I used wax, like turtle wax, and you'd be surprised. It will bring that shiny yellow back to to what it was. And at any circumstance, the way I go about, I have my soap over here. I keep, so even if the soap is provided by your workplace, ask them if you can keep a little bit of it in a can like this on your bus, so that way you don't have to bother them every time you need soap. That's what I prefer. And what I do, I fill my trash can that happens to be a bucket, so I fill it with soapy water. I fill that other bucket here with clean water, and all I have to do is just brush, and then I rinse out with the water hose, and that's all there is to it. But one thing that you should not do is you should not use the water hose directly like this on your rubber mat. If you want to clean the rubber mat inside, do not water hose the rubber mat like this, because that will the floor of the bus will get rotten. The vehicle, if the vehicle is still on warranty, that will void the warranty. So that is not something you should do. What you should do, if you need to really put water to scrub a little bit more your floor, to clean your floor, I would recommend you just use this brush to scrub the floor. You use bucket water, but you do not want to use the water hose directly. So this is pretty much it.